this one. Hey guys, Alex here from RedbeardAdventure, and this is the start of my official review of the REI Ruckpack 40 one bag travel. I think if you saw the unboxing video that I found the perfect one bag travel that will meet all of my needs. I really hope it does, and we're going to be putting it to the test. Headed to the airport now to fly to LA for a week, so everything that I've packed in this bag. I have not been able to fit Megan in the bag, but I tried to fit Megan in the bag. So let's jump into the full review. But first, if you're new to this channel, I do all sorts of random gear reviews, and look at the policia right there waiting to stop somebody. I do all sorts of random gear reviews and travel content, family vlogs, whatever is trending in my brain. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. All right, we are through security and a little bag update. This bag is awesome. I like the fact that the pockets are like their own pocket. And what I mean by that is other bags I've had, like if you stuff the main compartment full, it like encroaches into the smaller like accessory pockets. This does not, keeps them completely separate. Like the accessory pockets like this one on the top, which you access this way, that has like my headphones and sunglasses and stuff. That is like an additional pocket on top of the bag, which is awesome. The side pockets have been great for phone, and I'll show you later, there's a little place to hook your keys on the inside so they don't get lost while you travel. So moving through security, awesome. All right, so if you watched a previous video I did, I'll link it below. I did an unboxing and kind of an overview of the travel backpacks that we've used in the past. On this video, I'm going to go through every little pouch and pocket to give you a complete look. This is the REI Ruckpack 40. It is very minimalist in its pockets and dangly things, which I think is awesome and perfect for travel, so there's not a whole lot to get snagged on anything. So the outside of the bag, you can see here, there's no like extra clips or straps or anything to hook stuff on. There is a trekking pole loops here and here on both sides, which they tuck away. So if you need trekking pole loops and tethers, you do have those. Let me just, I guess I don't have to stuff everything back in. So let's start on the very top. So actually the back right now, I have the straps zipped up. This cover comes out from storage compartment and zips over all the straps. So this was fantastic when it was going through security, x-ray at the airport, and when I was storing it in the overhead bin, fits perfectly, and there's no like straps and extra stuff dangling off. So that's why it doesn't look like a backpack right this moment. All right, so this is the top of the backpack, and there is a small compartment at the top that sits right up here. In here I kept my glasses case, I have a headphones case and wallet, stuff like that, that I needed quick access to. I kept up here. And as far as external pockets, that is really it. You can access the main compartment of the bag on both sides. So this side is actually, sorry, you cannot access the main compartment from this side. So this flap unzips, and there's a little organizational pouch here, a couple of pen pouches, and then this is a fleece lined pouch so you could slip your phone in there. And then there's like a secret little zipper on the inside, which I still have my passport in there. Let me not lose that. So that is on the, if you're wearing it on your back, on the right side. On the left side, and these are just tension straps that I'm unbuttoning here. On this side, you can access the main compartment of the bag, and then also there's a little mesh divider here so that you can keep a few things separate, more on the outside, but this still does access the main compartment of the bag. On both sides there are 2 water bottle holders, so slip your water bottle in here and tighten the tension strap, or you can just tighten the tension strap all the way down whenever. It's okay, Daisy, you can get water. Tighten the tension strap down whenever you're not using the water bottle holders. So there's 2, 1 on each side. Alright, now for the inside of the bag. So the zippers to the main compartment, they do zip around the back here, so when you have it on your back, they are behind your head so that nobody can kind of get in there quick. And these do have loops, holes on the zipper, so that if you wanted to lock it, you could. So as we unzip the bag, it unzips, I'd say 3/4 of the way down, not completely fully down, but good enough. Right on the inside of the bag, there are 2 mesh pockets. One here is a little bit longer, and then a smaller one at the top that has a hook like for your keys, so your keys don't get lost, or whatever you want to, first aid stuff, whatever you want to keep up there. So once you have this fully open, you have pretty much access to the whole bag. Now we use these like big Ziploc, they don't require a vacuum, but they're like compression bags, so you put your clothes in there and then roll them up. It pushes all the air out and it allows you to pack more compactly. I'll cut in at the end of this some video of us packing up, because we did a separate video of everything we packed on this trip. So I'll cut some of that in so you can see me pack the bag up and use those Ziploc bags. There is a pouch here for like a water bladder for drinking. You can use it for a laptop. It is not padded, so just know that if you're going to use it for a laptop, maybe have an extra little case, laptop sleeve that your laptop goes in before you put it in here. I used it the way it was and did fine, but like I said, if you're super worried about your laptop, it's not cushioned. And that is it. That is all for the inside. So last thing we'll do is look at the straps that I had zipped up in here. So this piece here unzips and then it stuffs into this Velcro pouch below, and then it has Velcro on the inside to reseal that, so super easy to stow. And then backpack straps, some support breathable cushion for your back. It does have a small carry handle here, sternum strap, load lifters, which is what these are, and then a hip belt to help distribute the weight. One thing I didn't mention when it was zipped up is there's handles on both sides here, so like if you can carry it like a duffel bag, or when you're going through the aisle of the airplane, you can hold it in front of you. So yep, that's it. I will cut in that video of me packing up like I mentioned before. Thank you so much for watching. This is the REI Ruckpack 40. and link in the description to this bag. There's a men's and a women's version. The only difference is the straps are configured slightly different for the women's, and they come in a couple of different colors there also. So I would highly recommend this bag for one bag travel, or if you like a little bit bigger backpack to carry on the airplane or wherever you go. This is, in my opinion, absolutely perfect. There's not a whole lot of extra little pouches to lose stuff. It's very slim, minimalist, not a lot of straps and random stuff hanging off that's going to get caught on things. So I give it a 100% review. Thanks for watching, and okay, so we use these Ziploc bags to compress all of our stuff and pack it into the bag. So this is just a fast forward of me packing all of my belongings into the bag. This is the only bag that I traveled with, and we fit more in it on the way home than we did on the way over, because we ended up with a bunch of swag from the conference. So hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, post them down below in the comments, and thanks for watching.